Welcome everyone to today's video where we dive into the world of pixels and frames. If you're a PS5 owner on the hunt for the ultimate gaming monitor, you've landed in the right spot. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below for more details on each monitor. Now let's get right into it. Alright, first up on the list we have the Dell S3221QS. Now, if you've just spent your life savings on a PS5 and you're looking for something that won't require selling a kidney, this could be the one for you. At around $400, this 32-inch curved display is a treat for the eyes and the wallet. The curvature of this display is rated at 1800R, offering a sense of immersion that'll make you feel like you're inside the game. No, really, you might need to remind yourself you're still in your living room, but let's talk about the specs. It's got a 60 Hz refresh rate, which might make some of you frame rate aficionados twitch a little. But let's face it, not many PS5 games are pushing past 60 Hz right now anyway, so it's more like you're being frugal, not cheap, right? On the brighter side, no pun intended, this monitor offers one of the sharpest displays in the market, making sure your games look as crisp as grandma's apple pie. Moving on, we've got the Acer Predator XB323QK, which is a name so intense you might think it's an alien species from a sci-fi movie. This 32-inch beast is ideal for those who can't decide whether they want a gaming monitor or a small TV. You see, it's got the size and the brightness to make you think you're sitting in front of a big screen, but it's got the agility of a cheetah with features like HDR. And let's talk about colors. It's like a kaleidoscope. They pop so much you'll think you're in Oz. You ever think you'd compliment a monitor stand? Well, you will now. The stand on this baby is thin and unobtrusive, like that one guy at the party who doesn't spill his drink everywhere. It makes setup a breeze and ensures you can move the monitor easily. Granted, the ports are a bit like hidden Easter eggs and the speakers are, shall we say, meh. But it has a USB-C port. And let's be honest, having a USB-C in 2023 is like having a VIP pass to the future. Next up on our list is the Gigabyte Aorus FI32U. And let me tell you, this monitor is as feature-packed as a Swiss Army knife. But instead of nail clippers and a corkscrew, you get a 4K resolution and a 144 Hz refresh rate. Imagine seeing your game characters in more detail than you ever cared to see them. We're talking pores, people. Now let's talk about aesthetics. This monitor is so stylish it should be on a runway. RGB lighting emanates from the back and sides, illuminating your gaming setup like you're in a sci-fi movie. Plus, it has features like Game Assist, Black Equalizer, and Aim Stabilizer Sync. These aren't just fancy words, they're actual features that make your gaming experience more thrilling. And guess what? You can get this technological wonder for around $900, which is considerably cheaper than its original launch price. Okay, no, it's not exactly pocket change, but for what you're getting, it's a reasonable splurge. So if you've got some cash burning a hole in your pocket, this monitor is worth a look. Coming in hot at number 3, we have the Asus TUF Gaming VG28UKL1A. Don't be fooled by the name, there's nothing tough about the price tag, at least in the high-stakes world of gaming monitors. At around $800, you're getting a monitor that offers 4K resolution, a 144 Hz refresh rate, and not one but two HDMI 2.1 ports. That's like ordering a cheeseburger and finding out it's a double, with bacon. Color reproduction is where this monitor shines. Reds, oranges, pinks, you name it. It makes your game's color palette look like a masterpiece from Van Gogh. As far as HDR capabilities go, it's practically unparalleled when it comes to PS5 gaming. And it even has speakers that aren't just there for show, they actually do their job quite well. Sure, you're paying $300 more than you did for your PS5, but think of it as a long-term investment. Because let's face it, monitors like these don't just make games look good, they make you feel good while playing them. Drumroll please, as we slide into the number 2 spot with the Gigabyte Aorus FV43U. Now folks, this is not just a monitor, it's practically a cinematic experience right on your desk. Imagine a 43-inch screen with 4K resolution and a 144 Hz refresh rate. This isn't just big, it's seeing your game characters life-sized big. When it comes to HDR, this is the Obi-Wan Kenobi of monitors. It's our only hope for true, vibrant colors. The HDR10 here, backed by 1000 brightness LEDs, delivers colors that pop so much they practically sizzle. This thing makes rainbows look dull. Worried about the price? Well, it has seen a substantial drop, and now circles around the $750 mark, which, considering its features, is a pretty sweet deal. It's like buying a Ferrari at the cost of a mid-range sedan. The built-in speakers are pretty rad too, saving you the expense and hassle of external ones. So if you're looking to go big or go home, well, with this monitor, you can do both. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the pièce de résistance, the Sony Inzone M9. This is Sony's triumphant return to the world of gaming monitors, and they've nailed it. I mean, come on, the design alone is a thing of beauty. Its black and white chassis is so chic it looks like the PS5's long-lost twin. When it comes to performance, the Inzone M9 doesn't just walk the walk, it sprints. Offering smooth frame rates and a vibrant color palette, this monitor has taken a huge leap in terms of quality. True, it does have weak speakers, but let's be real, you're probably going to wear your super expensive gaming headset anyway. The only downside is that it can't rotate to a full vertical configuration. So if you were planning on doing some Excel spreadsheets in between death matches, you might want to look elsewhere. But as a dedicated PS5 monitor, it's darn near perfect. You know, the kind of perfect where you can overlook its little quirks because it just makes everything else look so darn good. And there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through the wonderland of PS5 monitors, and I hope this guide helps you make an enlightened choice. Remember, the links for all these monitors are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech wisdom. Catch you in the next video.